In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use quotation marks in Grammarly. If you've ever pasted a draft into Grammarly and noticed missing or inconsistent quotation marks, this walkthrough will show you a quick, reliable way to fix them with the built-in AI tools, without hunting through every line by hand. Start by opening Grammarly in your browser. You'll land on the main workspace where you can access everything you've been working on. On the left side of the screen, look for the Docs area. This is where Grammarly organizes your documents. Click Docs to open your library so you can create something new or pull in a file you already have. From here, choose New Doc to start with a blank canvas, or select the Upload option if you got a piece that needs cleanup. Both paths lead you into the Grammarly editor. If you're uploading, give the file a moment to process. Once it opens, you'll see your text in the center and Grammarly's tools surrounding it. On the right side of the editor, you'll find AI Chat. Click AI Chat to open the Assistant panel. This is Grammarly's conversational helper that can make targeted edits to your document. It's especially useful for formatting and consistency tasks, like ensuring quotation marks are used properly throughout your writing. Inside the AI Chat panel, click the prompt area labeled Ask AI. Type, use quotation marks. Keep it simple and direct. That phrasing tells Grammarly to scan your text and add or correct quotation marks where they're expected, such as around direct quotes, titles you've placed in quotes, and phrases that should be consistently quoted. If your draft already has quotation marks, this helps standardize them and fix mismatched or missing ones. You'll see a suggested change appear, usually with a brief explanation of what the AI intends to do. When the suggestion looks right, click Accept. This applies the change across your document in one clear action. You should see your text update, with quotation marks inserted or corrected. If anything looks off after applying the change, remember you can always undo immediately and refine your prompt with a bit more context, but for most cases, use quotation marks is all you need to clean things up. That's the entire process. Open Grammarly, head into Docs, start a new document, or upload your draft, open AI Chat on the right, ask it to use quotation marks, and accept the change. With this quick method, you can tidy up quotation punctuation in seconds and get back to polishing your ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!